maybe. Oh, there it is. Okay, let's take a look. So, the problem I've been having is when I accelerate the gas, the car would make a clunking noise, but this doesn't seem to be, doesn't look too bad. Alright, so there's going to be, let's see, if you look in front of the car, there's going to be 1, 2, 3, 4 screws here, and then also 1, 2, 3 bolts you need to remove, and then by the wheel, behind the wheel, 1, 2 on this side, 2 on the other side, and then 1 back bolt here, and then this cover should be removed, or could be removed. And then picture, this is a 10 millimeter. Find a safe spot so you don't lose it. And then kind of stuck. Oh yeah, right here on the side is kind of a okay, now that you get the cover off, the back mount here, this is the transmission mount here. It's being held by 2 bolts. One here, and one right here. And before you unbolt these, you want to put a jack under the engine to hold it up, to support it. So I'm gonna do that now. Okay, so after you get the engine lifted up just a little bit, supported, I'm going to go ahead and loosen up this bolt here. Get that loose, and then one more right here on the side. Good angle. Yep. Okay. 17 millimeter, by the way, for both. Okay. Now these motor mounts are known to go bad. It seems to be a common problem on these Mazdas. If I can get this out here. Alright, there's bolt number 1. Let's put that to the side. Bolt number 2. Let's see. Okay, so one's a little bit shorter than the other, so we'll keep this one here. Remember where they went. So this one's on the back, and then this one's in the front. So we'll put that to the side. Let's see if I can maneuver this out without taking this guy out here. Can I do it? Okay, maybe. Oh, there it is. Okay, let's take a look. So, the problem I've been having is when I accelerate the gas, the car would make a clunking noise, but this doesn't seem to be, doesn't look too bad. Yeah. Next to the new one. If you're wondering, that is the part number there. And that is a new one, so. Well, since I got it, I'm just gonna put it in anyways. So let's get there. Alright, let's try to maneuver this guy back there. Oh. There we go. Okay. Let's put this new guy in. Okay, now you're gonna want to torque these down to torque specs, and I do have the torque specs here. I gotta go run and get my paperwork. Let's take a look. Alright, I got the repair manual here. Funny, because it gives you a range, a torque range, between 68 and 85. I don't know why they don't give you a solid number to go by, but in that case, I'm gonna go somewhere a little bit more in the middle, maybe 80 pounds. And this is to torque this one first, and then this one second. So let's go ahead and do that one. Torque wrench here. Get a better angle at this. Okay, so oops, I had to move the engine support over so I can get some leverage on the on this bolt here. Let me get it in some more. Oops. Okay. That mount is done. Gotta put the cover back on. Pay attention right here. There's a little hook part right there where it goes to the back. You gotta get that in the hole. there, and then just put one screw in the front so it'll hold, so you don't have to hold it. Just put one screw. Okay, now you can start putting everything back together. Okay, going for a test drive. See if I can hear the clunk noise. One thing I can feel the difference already. Just it's a lot smoother. The idle is a lot smoother.